This lecture is about Pak study, Indo Pak history, and general knowledge. Date-wise MCQs from 1905 to 1947. 1905 Bengal separation. 1906 Muslim League was found. 1909 Minto Morley reforms. 1913 Muhammad Ali Jinnah joined Muslim League. 1913 Incident of Kanpur. 1914 World War I. 1916 Lucknow Pact. 1918 World War I end. 1919 Khilafat movement. 1919 Rowlatt Act. 1922 Allama Iqbal joined Muslim League. 1922 Incident of Chura Churi. 1923 Liaquat Ali Khan joined Muslim League. 1927 Simon Commission. 1927 Delhi Proposal. 1928 Nehru Report. 1929 Jinnah 14 points. 1929 Khudai Khidmatgar Movement. 1930 Allama Iqbal speech at Allahabad. 1931 Second London Conference. 1932 Third London Conference. 1932 Communal Award. 1932 Khaksar Movement. 1933 Now or Never Movement. 1934 Qaid-e-Azam become permanent president of Muslim League. 1935 Government of India Act. 37 Congress Ministries. 38 Pirpur Report. 38 Fatima Jinnah joined Muslim League. 39 World War II start. 39 Congress Ministries resigned. 1939 Day of Deliverance. 1940 Lahore Resolution 23rd March. 1942 Cripps Mission. 1942 Quit India Movement. 1945 Shimla Conference. 1945 Central Election. 1946 Provincial Election. 1946 Delhi Convention. 1946 Cabinet Mission. 1947 49